আজকে সুপ্রিম কোর্টে যে 2022 প্যানেলে NIOS D.EL.ED-দের যে কেসটি ছিল সেই কেসটিতে সুপ্রিম কোর্ট কী বলল, সেই SLPটা, এইটা নিয়ে একটু ভিডিও তোমাদের সামনে তুলে ধরছি। সুপ্রিম কোর্টের যেটা বলেছে সেটা তোমরা একটু শুনে নাও, ঠিক আছে? কি বললো?
Wait, please, Mulaj. There are two IAs in item 4. Mulaj, there are two IAs in item 4.1 which are listed today. If your lordships can just have IA 7319 of 2025.
What is this?
The issue, I'll just tell your lordship, the issue is this. The teachers who are in service when the RTA Act,
Along with all other transfer petitions,
no, but I have something to say on the IA, Mulaj, if I may, if my friend will permit me. Just on the IA. After Mr. Chatterjee, just 1 minute, let me just make a submission, please.
What we'll do is we'll post all of them collectively.
May I make the submission for a minute, Mulaj, if I may be permitted? I don't think it needs to be.
One minute, Mr. Gopal, just wait.
By a previous order, lordships have directed in these batch of matters, your lordships, that there should be a merit list which should be brought before this court of persons who are claiming to be qualified and the persons who the board is claiming to be qualified. They have now got only a merit list with regard to persons who they consider qualified.
After the Supreme Court judgment of 28th November 2023,
where lordships have then modified their petition. In review petition, lordships have given the relief. Unfortunately, the board is not following the relief that has been given.
No. Manoj, can I have a minute? After all, it's my application which is listed.
In the meanwhile, let them bring out a
first of all, just let us see it's coming before us for the first time.
Yes, your lordship.
Yes, from the cause list and the office report, it's my IA which is listed. Just give me a minute, please.
1 minute, Mr. Venkat.
Yes.
तो ये लाशा है. Only one is listed today, is it?
4.1 is listed altogether. Which is 7319 is listed today.
4 and 4.1 are.
Okay, all right. What we propose to do is post all these matters together and hear it.
So can I say something? I'm just saying that your lordship.
Yes, tell us what do you want.
Yeah, it's this, Manoj. The D.EL.ED, whether it is a qualification for in-service teachers, was a question that came before this court. This court delivered a judgment and then clarified that judgment in December 2024, on 10th December 2024. They said that those who are teachers who are in service and who have completed the D.EL.ED 18 months correspondence course from the NIOS, it's a valid qualification for them to participate in any teacher recruitment. That has been clarified further and implemented by your lordship's order of 20th December 2024. Just see these two orders in IA 7319 of 25.
So, okay, now what needs to be done? Because
so I just want the same order that your lordships have passed on 20th December to be replicated today for these D.EL.ED teachers for West Bengal. It's been done for one other state on 20th. Just allow me to complete, please.
All right, Mr. We will hear you. We'll just put it.
I'm just saying the same order which is at page 59 of this IA. Please grant me that same order for this state.
I tell you, Lordship, why I am opposed. This is being opposed. We will hear all of you and then do it.
It's not to say the validity of this today.
No, are there other transfer petitions also pending?
No, there is no. There is item 4 and there is 5. 5 is a different issue which we've taken up. So there is no other transfer.
There are no transfer.
I find that there is an application by somebody saying that it should not be tagged.
Well, there are different groups, your lordships. But here there
We have before us only two petitions.
IAs which have been filed, but there are some matters which are still pending in the High Courts, your lordship.
Actually, what has happened is that when this matter was first moved, it was indicated to the court that it is the same point. So they were tagged. But Milord, now
It is the same point.
now that was an ex parte order. Now Milord, the parties are saying it should not be tagged.
No. Nobody is saying that. It's the same point.
No,
Bihar and UP are in the transfer petition. Bengal is the connected
Mr. Shankar Narayan, there is an application to that effect.
There's the same advertisement.
It's not the same.
But what is the difficulty in having if the judgment of this court as clarified by 20th December 23
Yes,
has
Your
attained finality, then the High Court will follow that as a disposition.
No, Milord.
Lordships, unfortunately.
Why transfer petitions?
Unfortunately,
But-
because the court is not.
Bengal is not a transfer petition. It's an SLP. Bengal is an SLP, my lord.
Not a transfer petition.
It's an SLP. It's an SLP arising out of a judgment delivered prior to the clarification. Therefore, it relied on the principal judgment, and we are in challenge against
Okay, you are
that.
right. At least item number 4 is a TP. But then we don't need to. If was only notice issued, transfer petition are not allowed.
Transfer petition is not allowed as such. No, in fact, the transfer petition is not listed. Only the I.
But so all of you are not in agreement with the issue that the matter is covered by the judgment.
Your lordships,
You're right.
No, we are.
what is
I am appealing for it.
a category?
Milord, in order to be covered, Milord, the parties must be in the same status. Now, it hasn't been adjudicated because what happened?
Where are the remaining TPs pending? Which court are they pending?
There is no other.
I don't know, Milord, they are for different states.
No, I think because I filed those. There is only one more TP, which is item number 5 listed. Today there is no other matter. Item number 5 also there is an IA file which is
I don't
PMPR.
know which left
There is no other TP that is pending. There is no other issue that is.
we have to.
There are only these 3 matters that are pending.
Opinion. That is not good. There are only 2 matters. Who are appearing? One is Gopal. Gopal is appearing.
I'm appearing for the petitioners.
Hearing 4.1.
Come on Friday.
দুটো হয়ে গেছে?
Very well.
Somebody make a list of how many these 3 matters and
We'll do
how
that. We'll do that.
points of commonality and distinction. We will hear them
Yes.
and then we will.
Very well.
Yes.
And your lordships, the
We'll do that.
Uttarakhand matter will have to be
No,
dealt with separately,
that's
and
next
West
week.
See,
Bengal.
because we thought it's a transfer petition to be posted along with that, we didn't really apply on that.
Yes, the lordships.
Come on Friday, we will have a look.
We'll come on Friday.
Has to be extended. Validity of the panel. That's all.
Come on Friday.
Your lordships, there are 2 things. One is with regard to impediment applications, because these are also people who are also in high courts, and if they don't come before your lordships, then there's this whole thing of relief